Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be explaining to you all about Netflix top searches. So you probably went to this video thinking, hey, I want to delete the top searches. Well, unfortunately for you, let me tell you, it is impossible to do so. Why? Because top searches is not about your searches on Netflix. So if everyone ever asks you, hey, these are your videos that you're watching, tell them no, these are the videos that our people are watching, because the top searches are the data gathered by Netflix of the searches made in your country by all the Netflix users in your region or in your country. So these are only to help your experience be better on Netflix. So let's say you don't know what to watch. So if you go to top searches, you're gonna see, oh, these are what my countrymen have been watching. Maybe these are good. Maybe this is actually good. So let's try it out. So don't even think about deleting the top searches. If you ever want to do that, then go ahead and apply for Netflix, because only Netflix can remove that. If you want to delete that, then you're probably very boring. No, just kidding, but really though, if you don't like the top searches, just don't mind it. It's not gonna do anything to you. But yeah, that is everything about top searches, basically in a nutshell. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.